Hello, silversmiths! Welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be working on something a little bit different. We will be starting on a plain stud earring. We are going to be making it out of silver wire, so there's going to be some melting, some soldering, and of course cleaning it up and making it look good. So let's get started. We are measuring the pieces of silver so that we have about the same size, so when we melt them they will ball into the same shape. As you see, these are slightly flat on one side, so in order to fix that we need to make a circular hole for them to go into. But now that they're melted, we have the size of the pellet and we can make a proper hole that will hold that exact amount. Here we are making a flat spot so that we can solder the post onto the stud earring. Make sure to position the post so that it is nice and straight and not lopsided. You can fix it afterwards by bending the post, but it's better just to keep it as straight as possible when soldering it on. And now I've got to fix it. I was trying to make it more symmetrical, but it Yeah, this did not work for me. So definitely make sure that it's in a nice, secure place so that it doesn't roll around or anything. Now we are cleaning both pieces. We are going up in the grit of the sandpaper all the way until we get to emmering paper, and then we'll begin the polish. Now, if you've gotten this far into the episode, thank you. And remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell so then you'll get notified whenever I put out any other videos. Thank you. Here I am making the point at the end of the stud, and then we will be making a notch with this tool just to make it easier for the stud to be put on and locked in.
Alright, well, unfortunately, that is the end of this episode. I know it's a bit of a short one, but we're doing a few simple projects before we get started on a fairly complicated one. So, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so then you get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 3 videos a week, 2 live videos, the knitting with metal, and of course this episode, the Sunday episode, which is the main jewelry episodes. So I hope that you all enjoyed, and have a wonderful evening.